Today, we will create something completely new, almost like a real video, and that too in just a few minutes. AI videos that fully follow YouTube's 2026 policies and are monetizable. Imagine creating a mind-blowing Hollywood-level 3D music video in just minutes, all powered by AI. What used to take months can now be done with a single prompt, and it's fully monetizable on YouTube. First of all, check out this channel, which has 31 million subscribers and countless views. Many of its videos have gone viral. I will play one of its videos so you can see how it works. This channel creates song videos, AI songs, and it is also monetized. If you open YouTube Social Blade and paste this channel's link, you can see that it is monetized. Its income ranges from $14K to $216K in just the last 14 days and $3.1 million in 1 year. This shows how high its earnings are. First, watch this video that I have created.
She's on the front porch, cool air, big sky, bare feet on the railing, letting time slide by. There's a beat up guitar leaning by her knee. Looks like it's got 100 memories. Tell me the porch light story. What do you call I see? All of the days before me, right where the fields run free.
The video is a completely real 3D song. You too can create any song video like this using AI. In this video, I will show you how to make a complete AI music video, including the audio, in just 2 minutes. Everything from song creation to AI music can be done with just one prompt. Watch the video completely and don't miss any part. If you are new, subscribe to my channel and like the video. Let's get started. Magic Light AI is one of the best AI-powered websites for creating stunning AI videos and AI songs easily. This platform is designed for content creators, YouTubers, and marketers who want professional quality results without advanced technical skills. With Magic Light AI, you can generate eye-catching AI videos using simple text prompts, saving both time and effort. The website also offers powerful AI song generation tools that help you create unique music for your videos, reels, and shorts. Its user-friendly interface, fast rendering speed, and high-quality output make it a top choice for beginners and professionals alike. Magic Light AI is perfect for social media content, promotions, and creative storytelling. But today, how can we make a song on this? The first option is story to video, then kids story video, then next one video, music video, religious story, AI video, agent, image to video, AI character, explainer. But we will use music video. How can we make a music video? I click on music video, and when I click on music, something like this will appear. But to make a song, we need a script. How will we make the script? We will open ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, we will write, I want to create an AI song. Please give me 5 best ideas for a song. ChatGPT will give you 5 best ideas. If I want, I can also give my own prompt for the song. You just need to comment. The 5 best ideas will already be available and you can see them. It will give one best idea to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give the best one among them. You can see that it has given one best idea. Next, what will we do? We will just copy this and go back to Magic Light AI. If you don't want to make a song script from ChatGPT, then what should you do? There are many songs here. I just click on one and copy its description. You don't need to do anything else. Another song will be created. You can see it. You just need to copy it. You can also create a 1-minute song the same way. Just paste it. To make the song, I click on Create Song. When I click on it, many options will appear here. 3D cartoon, Disney, Pixar, realistic, and more. I click on Pixar and set the size to 16.9. Next, there is a language option. There are many languages available. You can choose English, Hindi, and many others. I select English.
Next, choose ChatGPT 4 or 5, whichever you want. Below that, click on it. There are many options you can use to make the best AI song easily. I select everything quickly in 2.3 fast mode. I click on Create. I will write something like, a beautiful 32-year-old woman with calm eyes and a thoughtful expression. Next, many options will appear here, but I will show you the best one. I click on Energetic Pop and then click Create Music. Next, choose a song from the available options and then click Create Full Video to start generating your video. Next, after a short while, the song will start being created. It will take some time. Magic Light AI is an amazing tool to create fully monetizable songs for your YouTube channel. With this platform, you can generate high-quality AI music in different genres, such as pop, energetic, or cinematic, and even customize the style to match your content. You can also create matching videos, select languages like English or Hindi, and choose options like Pixar or realistic animations. The AI makes the process fast and simple, letting you produce engaging music content without any copyright issues. By using Magic Light AI, your songs and videos can be 100% monetized and ready for upload. You can click here to download the video. You can also watch it, and it has turned out fantastic, an absolutely amazing video. The song is now ready. You can see how good the song turned out. You can download it here. The video is also ready. You can see how good it turned out. Thanks. Please like the video and subscribe. Next time, I will bring more videos like this.